See, we worked our careers our whole life to raise our kids, our family, and fell into the go to school, get good grades, get a job, get a career, and then you work there, and then you get ready to retire. The funny thing about it is, I did all that, and then I got laid off. My role was eliminated after 25 years. So if you do all those things, why would I ever think about going back to another company? Because they can do the same thing. See, a lot of you guys been in a situation where, like me, I wasn't prepared. I did not see myself losing my job after 20 some odd years. Didn't. So where's your backup plan? See, why would I sit there and try to go back to another retail job or a corporate job? There's just no way. They'll do the same thing. Why wouldn't they do the same thing? See, they don't care about you. You're a number. So I found an online business and I looked and searched and I did my 3 months of research and I did whatever I could and I finally found something that works for me. This might work for you as well. But here's the cool thing. It's only 2 hours a day. Like it's only 2 hours a day, but it's in the digital marketing e-learning industry. You need to check it out because I'll tell you, I never thought my wildest dreams 13 months later, I'd be a stay-at-home dad, loving on his wife, loving on his kids, and going golfing every day. And now I'm growing my retirement at leaps and bounds. And you can do the same thing. You just got to be coachable. So put coachable in the comments. I'd love to share it with you.